Hello guys, friend. Women's die. Cliffs from 25 feet. Her death. Woman 23 plunged 25 feet. Her death from cliff's edge after walking home from seafront cottage in the dark. Inquest here. Megon Thornton, her name, has been on night out with friends on the day of accident. A determined and precious young woman who plunged to her death after falling from a cliff edge after a night out in Cornwall. Woman died 23 years age, plunged 25 feet. Her death, friend, news breakup our channel. You subscribe our channel and press bell icon. Thank you friend. Bundle of thanks.